is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna bring a adventure that's not a new adventure, but I think it's definitely been requested a few times from a lot of you guys that ask me, hey, you know, I just moved to the Tampa Bay area and where can I go ride? Let me throw on the Relive app. Let me show you exactly where I leave from, where I go, that I personally think is a fantastic adventure for you to come out and just explore the Tampa Bay area. If you like the adventures, if you like the channel, it's so important that you just hit that like button and of course, subscribe to that channel. That's all that I ask. What's the adventure? Well, we're gonna literally leave from right here in Riverview at Williams Park boat ramp. We're gonna go straight up into the bay, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna visit good old Riverwalk in downtown Tampa Bay. After that, we're probably gonna be a little tired. We're gonna wanna take a break, so we're gonna head straight to Beer Can Island. After Beer Can, we're gonna come right back here and wrap up our day. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys follow along. Some of our other adventures take us to like Kissimmee River or out on the Gulf of Mexico. You know, places that might be a little intimidating if you're a new rider, or if you're going out with maybe just you and one or two friends. You don't really know the area. You don't wanna, you know, ride with gators, or you don't wanna go out into the Gulf. This is the perfect ride. Let me walk you through why I chose Williams Park boat ramp. Just FYI, if you're going on this ride, bring some snacks. You know, I got some peanut butter cookie, stuff like that, because you're gonna get a little hungry. Let me explain to you why I think Williams is such an important boat ramp if you guys are especially newer to, you know, riding this area. So let's go take a look, man. One of the first things you'll notice about Williams Park boat ramp is it's a decent sized ramp. There is a lot of parking. So as long as you get here somewhat on time on a weekend, you should be okay. Another great thing about Williams Park is they got several ramps, so it's not just one or two. You should be able to move rather quickly as you are unloading. Let me tell you what I think is the biggest reason why, if you're newer, this should be a great boat ramp for you to come to, is instead of having to tie up over there on the docks where it can be a little hectic, it can be a little crazy, you're trying to grab your fenders, all those things, drop and then pull right over there. There's a nice little area I'm going to show you guys. You can take your ski, your boat, whatever it is, and you can just come right over here and you can beach it here. All right, guys, we are now leaving Williams Park boat ramp. This is going to put you right out into the bay, and then you can just go out and start the adventure. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get ready to head over to downtown Tampa and check out the river. One quick thing I'm going to tell you right off the bat. As soon as you get out into the bay out here, you could absolutely cut through here, but if you're not familiar with the area, I don't know if you can tell right now, but the water is pretty shallow here. My advice would be, go to the outer side of the island right here to head up to Tampa Bay. You can see the city right over there. Tampa, let's go. We're almost at Tampa, but before we get there, I really want to show you something. Another one of the great reasons why this is such a cool ride, especially if you're somewhat newer, is because look at this. The entire bay I have to myself. Now, I will tell you, it might not be as flat as it is right now. It's as close to glass as you can get, but the reason I say that is because you guys can space out, man. You can ride your skis as fast as you want. You can ride it safely, but more importantly, you got plenty of space before you hit downtown Tampa. Obviously, that's a no wake zone, so you can't do that. But around here, have fun. Enjoy the ski. Some of you guys don't like no wake zone rides. Well, guess what? This is the part where you can just have fun, ride safe, and enjoy your skis. So we're almost at Tampa. Let me show you guys what I mean. Let's go. Welcome to downtown Tampa, where you guys are going to get to see the Riverwalk, which is right over here. So they're working on it, but it is absolutely beautiful, especially at night. At nighttime, it lights up. The lights reflect off the river. it's absolutely beautiful. So this part of Tampa is really, really nice, especially if you have a, you know, ski, PWC, boat, whatever. You get to come over here and look at this, man. You get to just enjoy it. Now, it is no wake zone, but this is the part of the adventure where, you know, you just ripped it through the bay and you want to kind of chillax a little bit. So you get to take this, you know, all the way up. This is the Hillsborough River, and we're going to take this all the way up to Armature Works. And if you don't know what that is, I'll tell you when we get there. But nonetheless, look at this, the Riverwalk. Unbelievable, unbelievable. We have made it to Armature Works. Here's the spot where I generally hit the U-turn, but you got a couple options here. If you want, you can come over here, you can grab a bite, you can grab a beverage. For those of you guys that have not been here, this place on a weekend or at night, it is amazing. Either if you want a date night, you and your spouse or, you know, girlfriend or boyfriend, or you want to bring the kids or family, friends, like I highly recommend Armature Works. This place is awesome, man. Let me pull up to the ramp real quick where you can park your boat or ski, and then you can hit up Armature Works, and it's right over here. Right over here. So let's pause there. Let's take a quick breather, and then we'll head right back down. All right, guys, stretching my feet over here at the dock. Now I'm only gonna be here a couple minutes because just grabbing some grapes that I packed, and I'm gonna head right back. But this is a dock that if you do stop here to eat, make sure you pay. Park mobile, because if not, you know, you got a sheriff coming out here, you know what could happen. If you want something a little bit more like, you know, bar and grilly, there's a nice little spot on the water a little bit further up to the left. You can obviously, you know, dock there as well. Burger, you know, fries, you know, that kind of stuff, tacos, it's pretty good. So you can stop over there as well. At this point now, what we get to do is we get to head to Beer Can Island, where we can just relax, unwind, spend some island time out there in the middle of the bay, and you get to rest and relax and just enjoy the rest of this ride.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
All right, people, we have now exited the Hillsborough River. We have passed what is known as the Riverwalk. It continues there, but we are in the kind of the bay area now. So we came in this way. We're gonna leave straight this way. It is a little bit of a longer no wake zone. However, it's a different scenery, or it's different scenery, and you got some really nice homes on the left hand side. So you know, enjoy it. It's gonna be a good one. Once we get out of the no wake zone, we'll rip it all the way to Beer Can Island, where we get to finish off what hopefully can be your next adventure. And if you're gonna do it, leave a comment and let me know. Take care, guys. I'll see you on Beer Can Island. Let's go. To the final stop, which is Beer Can Island. This place is awesome. I'm gonna give you guys a quick sneak peek if you haven't seen it before. However, I won't be here too long because the storm clouds are coming and I don't want to get caught in it. Look at that. So let's take the quickest tour you've ever seen of Beer Can Island, just in case you haven't seen it, because this can be your third and final spot where you can hang out. And hopefully, if you're out here on a day that there is no thunderstorm or rainstorm coming, you can actually hang out here for a decent amount of time. But let me show you guys the basics of Beer Can. The best part about making Beer Can your final stop is you can bring your family and friends and just kind of relax and unwind here on this beautiful spot. Look at this, you can hang out here. The kids can go up this slide and have an absolute blast. They have a little bar over there where, you know, I'm pretty sure they got some pizza, maybe some drinks. So it's just all in all a really, really dope spot here in the middle of Tampa Bay that you guys can come visit. Again, the major point of this video is to really show you guys an awesome ride that if you're newer to riding, or you just moved to the area, or like I mentioned before, you don't really want to ride with gators or out in the bay or anything like that, you want a nice smooth ride, this is the one. This is the one. You followed us from, you know, the boat ramp all the way up to Tampa Bay. Now we are here at Beer Can Island. This is awesome, man. This is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Since I'm saying bon voyage right now, I will let the remaining part of Relive show you the route back to the boat ramp so you guys can head back there safely. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. It is OB Ski TV checking out. Appreciate you guys.